Greetings, Metro Cooking DC readers from Silver Diner. Really excited to show you one of our winter season specialty cocktails. This one is called the Winter Chata. You'll need the following ingredients. You'll need oat milk, you'll need rum chata, which I'll go over shortly. You'll need Kahlua and a little ground cinnamon to garnish. First, we're going to do 3 ounces of oat milk. So this is a 1.5 jigger, so we're going to do 2 of those. The next ingredient you'll need is the rum chata. Rum chata is a mixture of Caribbean rum and horchata. Horchata dates back to the 13th century in Valencia, Spain. It's a plant milk beverage, so it's not necessarily a dairy-based product. It's juice extracted from plants that resemble the color of milk. So that is what horchata is. So this is a mix of horchata and rum. So we're going to do 1 ounce of rum chata. And the next ingredient is going to be Kahlua. I love using Kahlua. This is also a mixed spirit. This is rum and coffee liqueur. So we're going to do 1 ounce of this as well. Make it nice and boozy. All right. Our next item is going to be ice. We'll take a full scoop of ice. And we're going to go ahead and shake. All right. When you shake, we're going to go over our shoulder and make sure that ice hits the bottom and the top of that tin. All right. Then we're going to pour it right into our serving glass. Like so. You should get a nice creamy froth. And we're going to top that off with some holiday season. We have a ground cinnamon, and we're just going to top this off with. You don't want to do too much, just a nice little coat on top. All right, and there you have it, folks, our winter chata. Cheers.